we are again meeting with chapter number 1. Name, all of you know in BA, nature and significance of management. Now again, what we have done in this chapter. Sir, first of all, ancient times management comes first lecture. Second one, nature and definition of management. Third lecture, significance of management. Fourth lecture, we have discussed about what we have discussed in fourth lecture. So, importance of management. Importance of management. Fifth lecture, management is science. Management is art. Management profession. That all the things here. Now level of management. Then level of management. Important significance both are same. And level of management. And today we are discussing classification functions of management. So today we are talking about process of management. How management process going on. That we are discussing today. And that process we are discussing in detail in next lecture. Same thing but in detail. Today we are talking about functions of management. What to do for better management. That is function of management. What is included for doing management. That is function of management. And that should be in proper way. And that's why it is called process of management also. So process of management and function of management both are equal. Why? Because for doing proper management, we have to follow that steps. And by step only, we can do proper management. And that's why it is called process also. So, first of all, one thing. A series of functions which are continuously performed for objective. Why this all the things functions performed to achieve some predetermined objective, and that's why here I have written for perform for objective is called process. Now, am I talking about here management? No. In this first sentence, I am talking about process only. What is meant by process? So, process means functions which are continuously performed for achieving objective is called process, not management process. So try to understand what is my first sentence. Sir, first sentence is for process. What is meant by process? To achieve some object, what to do? That is called process. So a series of functions, what to do? Series of functions which are continuously performed for objective, for achieving predetermined objective is called process. Now same thing is followed in management, and whatever followed in management is called management process. What is done to achieve management objective is called management process. Now we are talking about management process. So second one, various business activities. Now we are talking about business activities. So various business activities are arranged. Activities are arranged in different parts. We are making parts of it in different parts and orderly manner. Order is also decided. What to do first, what to do second, what to do third, what to do fourth, and what to do fifth. then we can achieve our target very easily. For business, for various business activities arranged in different parts and orderly manner. So different parts are making and orderly it is followed. So management called process, and that's why management is also called process, because in business activities, for business activities it is divided into parts and order is decided. In that way we have to follow, and that's why it is called management. That's why it's called management process. So process means what? In which functions continuously perform for achieving object is called process. Now for doing management, that is done. Business activities is bifurcated into parts and orderly manner it is arranged, and that's why it is called management process. Now going ahead, there is a controversy among different authorities regarding management activities of management process. So there is a controversy among different authorities. Now why controversy arises? Because there are many management gurus. All gurus have different experience for their own management area, and that's why they have controversy among them for management activities of management process. So for this process, what to do? Which functions should be done? In management? What to do in management process? For that particular purpose, they have controversy, because experience is different. Every person have different experience. Many students are learning from me, but maybe some students don't like me. What sir is doing, we don't understand. That is the possibility. Some students can say, "Kya gappe marta hai?" Yes, possible. Why not? All students like me, it's impossible at all. I am giving my 100% to teach you, but every person likes me? No. Never, it's not possible at all. But as per my experience, as per my management process, as per my process of teaching, I am teaching my best. But some person don't like. Same way in management process also. Many management gurus are there. Who are providing their own suggestions. And by providing their own suggestions, what they are doing? Simple. There arises controversy among different persons. And they are giving their own suggestions in different way. And that is given by these 5 persons in your textbook. So in your textbook, classification functions of management given. Now what is other name of classification functions of management? So management process. In short, we can say it is a management process. So process and functions of management both are same, because we have to follow it by orderly manner only. Whenever there is the order, there is always process. Whenever there is the order, there is always process. So one process is followed, one order is followed, and that's why management process is here. Now in your textbook, first one, process given by, functions given by Hoods and O'Donnell given. Second one given, Henry Fayol. third one given Peter Drucker, fourth given Luther Gulick, and fifth given George Terry. But these steps I am not following, because to remember these things very well, I have followed third first. I have written here third, then fifth, first, second, and fourth. If you try to remember in this way, then you can easily remember each and every function of management given by different management gurus. That is definitely I am sure. And so, first I have written name, Peter Drucker. What Peter Drucker said. Management functions, management process is divided into three parts only, as per Peter Drucker. Peter Drucker said, managing, first of all, I have written managing. Managing means management. Yes, that is okay. But what to manage? Managing business. First of all, we are doing business. It means we have to manage business. So managing business, first business. Second, managing managers, persons appointed, general manager appointed on top level, middle level, departmental heads are appointed. Managing managers. First of all, managing whole business enterprise. Then after we are managing managers. Third one, managing worker and work. If we are managing this three level, then process of management over. These three functions are done for doing management. Simple. Now remember my three levels of management. First, top level management, managing business. What is their work actually? Top level managing business, whole enterprise. Managing managers, different departmental managers are managed. That is second level of management. And third one, managing worker and work. They are working at bottom level. So three parts are made by Peter Drucker. Simple. So by considering three level of management, Peter Drucker said managing these three is called management process, is called management functions. Simple. And he is right from his angle, because all persons are right from their own angle. Maybe for different person it is different, and that's why a controversy arises between different persons, and every person giving their own views for doing management. All are doing management. Now, sir, first one, Peter Drucker clear. Peter Drucker clear. Now talking about George Terry second. In your textbook, these numbers are given. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. But I am doing in this way to clear your concept. Because what is our process of learn? First, see my video lecture. Then close your eyes. Recall all the things whatever done in lecture. Then after, if you cannot recall something, see again lecture. Then again recall whole lecture whatever done in the lecture. Then after, refer your textbook properly. And anything not clear, ask me. Then after, refer my suggested reference book, in which question answer format with marks given. And if you are following this step, this is the process. It's management process for learning. Simple. Here management process by Peter Drucker, George Terry, different persons given. Same. So whenever you are recalling all the things whatever done in lecture, and if you are recalling in this way, definitely each and everything will be clear. Each and everything will be clear. And that's why third, fifth, 1, 2 and 4 written by me here. So first of all, this thing clear. I can say, sir, 3 levels of management. Here, 3 levels of managing. Means management done by Peter Drucker. Now going ahead, George Terry. What George Terry said? Sir, as per George Terry, only 4 things are there. 3, 4, 5, 5, 7. 3 things by Peter Drucker. 5 George Terry, 5 Kuntz and O'Donnell, Henry Fayol. 4 George Terry, 5 Kuntz and O'Donnell, Henry Fayol. 5, 7 by Luther Gulick. Simple. So 3 things completed. Now 4 things given by George Terry. Now which are the 4 things that you have done already? Already you have done all these things. First of all, we have to plan. That is the function of management. We have to do. First, plan. Remember my last lecture, top level management, what they are doing? Planning, deciding objective, whole enterprise objective decided, long-term objective, long-term plan done by top level management. That is planning. Organizing means arranging. Organizing means arranging all this situation, whatever requirement, arrange it. Planning, organizing, directing, how to do. Departmental heads, finance departmental head, arrangement for finance. Purchase department, arranging for purchase. Production department, arranging for production. So directing. And last thing, controlling done at bottom level generally. Properly work done or not. See it, controlling. So planning, organizing, directing and controlling. These 4 functions done in management as per George Terry. Simple one. So again I am repeating one thing. Sir, why these functions of management classified in this different manner? Because there is controversy between the management gurus. Simple. Every person's experience is different. That's why they are telling us in different way, different processes. And that we are learning today. Simple. So as per Peter Drucker, 3 levels of management: managing business, top level managing business, managers, managing managers, and last worker and work. There's 3 levels of management are there, 3 levels of managing activities there. So management function there. Peter Drucker clear. Now George Terry 4. Planning, organizing, directing, controlling. Planning, organizing, directing and controlling. Going on third one. Kuntz and O'Donnell. Now nothing extra given by Kuntz and O'Donnell. These 4 things are as it is. Planning, organizing, directing, controlling as it is. But one thing is extra, staffing given by Kuntz and O'Donnell. Now think, what is the connection? Directing. Directing means how to do, who is doing what work, that I am giving instruction. So that is directing. Now to whom I am directing? Some staff is there, then I can direct them. So here Kuntz and O'Donnell said planning, organizing, okay. Then after staffing is required. If there is the staff, then I can direct. So staffing, directing and controlling. These 5 steps given by Kuntz and O'Donnell. This 5 functions given by Kuntz and O'Donnell. So try to understood 5 things given by Kuntz and O'Donnell. Planning, organizing as it is. Now here directing is there, but directing to whom? Staff. So third step is staffing, then directing and then controlling. we cannot change this order because it's a process. In process, we cannot change our steps. In other, if importance is there, we can change our orders. But process, never. We can't change our process, our steps in process. So, as per Kunz and O'Donnell, which are 5 steps followed, which are the 5 functions done in management. So, first planning, organizing is fixed. Then after staffing is important. And directing, controlling as it is. Because for directing, staff must be there. Simple, sir, nothing else. Going ahead. 5 steps given by Henry Fayol also. Same 5 steps. Only some differences related to staffing. So see, first clear, planning, organizing as it is, nothing changed. See, all management gurus are clear about planning and organizing first. Planning, organizing, planning, organizing, planning, organizing, planning, organizing. That is fixed. We cannot change these steps. Then after we can manage ourselves. Simple. If in future you will be the manager, you can follow your steps, make your name. We will study according to your suggestion also. If we are doing somewhat different in management, right? Going ahead. So, planning, organizing are okay. Now, staffing, what to do? For staff, we are giving direction. So, directing means direction. Both are same? Yes, somewhat same. But here, what is used? Direction. So, staffing, direction, between staff, coordination is required. So, coordination between staff and then controlling processes. This is the 2 parts of staffing. To staff, what we are doing? We are giving direction to staff. We are making coordination between staff. So, here, staffing, 2 things are there. Direction and coordination. Planning, organizing, direction, coordination, and last one is controlling. Controlling is not a negative thing, it's a positive thing. Controlling means what? See how work is going on. Is our business objective achieved? Is there any problem? Solve it. Don't punish. Punishment is the last step. If they are not following at all, then last step, sorry, we cannot work with you. That is your punishment. So controlling is not a negative. It's a correction steps. In controlling, correction steps are taken. If there is mistakes, solve it. Problems, solve it. So, Henry Fayol, as per Henry Fayol, what is steps done in management function? So first, planning, organizing, same. To staff, 2 things. Staff direction, staff coordination required. So staffing, instead of staffing, direction and coordination what is used. And last one, controlling. So planning, organizing, direction, coordination and controlling. 5 given by Henry Fayol. Again, sir, repeating with first. Peter Drucker. What Peter Drucker said? 3 level of management. Considering 3 level of management, so top level doing business, managing business. Managers, departmental heads are there, managing managers, and bottom level, workers and work, managing worker and work. If we are doing managing 3 levels, then all the things are clear. Next one, George study 4. Planning, organizing, directing and controlling. Going ahead, next one, Kunz and O'Donnell 5. These 4 things are clear. Planning, organizing, directing, controlling are there. But whom directing? Staff. So staffing is first requirement. So planning, organizing, staffing, then directing and then controlling. Simple. Now for staff, to staff, we are giving direction between the staff, we are coordinating. Coordinating means connection between staff. They are working with each other. They are working properly. Right? Coordination required. Planning, organizing, direction, coordination, and last one is control. So these 4% suggestions clear. Now talking about Luther Gulick. What Luther Gulick done? Sir, as per Luther Gulick, planning organizing is same. Staffing, directing, not direction. Staffing, directing, coordination. These 5 steps are clear. Now 2 things are added by Luther Gulick. That is reporting and budgeting. Now think what middle levels doing, getting reporting from lower level, presenting it to upper level, preparing budget and passing budget through upper level. So that 2 steps added by Luther Gulick here. Reporting and budgeting process is done in management. So management include 7 steps. Management functions include 7 steps as per Luther Gulick. That is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, not direction here. Here direction, but here directing, coordination, and reporting and budgeting. 2 things are new here. So again, last time I am repeating all the things. What we have done in today's lecture. So in today's lecture, we have done functions of management. Function means what to do in management. And we have to do step by step. That's why it is called process of management also. Management process. It is called management process because we have to follow steps only. First planning, first step. Second directing, or second organizing, second step. That is fixed. We cannot change our steps. That's why it is called process also. So function and process both are same. Now, what we have done? Various business activities are arranged in different parts and orderly manner. So management is called process. Order is there. That's why there is process. And different person have different ideas, different views. That views we have seen here. So management functions as per Peter Drucker, 3 level of management. First is managing business. Second is managers, managing managers. Third is workers and works. Is 3 we are managing. Here 4, George Terry. 4, planning, organizing, directing, controlling. Simple. Same things are given by Coates and O'Donnell, but one thing is new. First staffing, then directing and controlling is there. Next one, Henry Fayol, planning, organizing. Now for staff, we are giving direction, keeping coordination between them, and last one is controlling. And last, planning, organizing, as it is, staffing, directing, not direction here, here directing, coordination. Then after 2 things is given additionally, which is done by middle level getting reporting, presenting it to upper level. So reporting preparation, actually they are preparing reporting also. So that reporting and budgeting prepared. So reporting and budgeting is 2 functions extra added by Luther Gulick. In this, this topic is not in detail, but different persons' views are clear. Now second important thing, what we will do in next lecture. Sir, in next lecture we are discussing only this. First, Coates and O'Donnell, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. These 5 steps, 5 functions of management we are doing in detail. Meet you in next lecture. Bye bye.